So hey guys, welcome to my new vlog. So in today's vlog, we'll be going to the New Haven station, which is the last station of the tram, and I'll be showing you the nice view, the nice activities over there, and we are also traveling there for the first time. So it is very excited for me as well and for my YouTube family. And second thing, that thank you guys for my 500 subscriber. I am very thankful to you that I have created a 500 people, a small family, and we will be growing more. But till that time, I need your support. Please subscribe my channel and ask your family and friend to join our family. Start our vlog. So, as I told you that we will be going to the New Haven station. Before that, we will do some shopping, and I will have a nice haircut today. So let's start our vlog. As you guys can see that this is the tram station, and the first stop from where the tram start is the airport, and airport to the New Haven station where we are going, and from there vice versa from New Haven to the airport. So this is the single line of tram in Scotland, and the tram is basically famous because the trams moves in the platform as well, in the rail platform as well, and in the road. So where the trucks, the car, the bicycle, all they move in the same place, the tram also goes. So this is the best part of the tram. Our tram has been arrived, and now we will grab the train, and from there we will be going to the our destination. So this is the tram, you can see here. See that there are so many Indian restaurants, and these kind of restaurants here are here. As you can see this one, the Rishi Indian Aroma. So guys, finally we have reached to our destination. So this is the New Avenue portside view, where you can see so many ships and cruise ships are here, and on the right side you can see here the people are having a nice food over here. We have a very nice restaurants bar, so you can enjoy your drinks and food, and on the left side you can have your sea facing side view. So we'll be going forward, but before you can enjoy the view, see how good and nice it's looking. Many kind of activities are being done here. Like you can see that side that people have already booked the boat, and with the boat will take them to a half an hour round in which they can enjoy, they can have a party, they can have food plus drinks. And some of the people who are like very fond of the fishing and fond of like beach rides, so they just hire this kind of boats, and as for the per day you have to pay the charge, and you can book the boat from here and you can go for the ride. See, for going to the boat ride, you can see the guards are here, and according to the booking, they check your booking, and after that you can go and be seated on the ship or a small boat, and from here to the whole sea place they take you for the ride. You can do the fishing as well here. Some of the people, they are doing the fishing.
Yeah, on the other side of the bay from there. And I've been there a couple of times. It's spinning for a pole.
And the best thing I saw here, there's so many locks have been locked here, and they all are like you have to wish or you have to dream something about, or if you are in a love with someone or you are in a relation. So many kind of people come here and they just make a wish and put the lock over here. So it's like a old tradition over here. If you come here and you need, like, you want to be with someone, so you both need to come here and locked here, and then the god will be do whatever he can do to make you guys to be together. So guys, what a nice view. To be honest, I'll be saying that I'm in love with this city, because I'm the person who just want to live in a nature. Like, as you can see there, the mountains on the middle side, you can see the water, the oceans, and there are like many kind of adventurous things which you can do. So me, I'm a person who don't want to stay in a room. I want to explore, I want to go out. For me, this is the best city I'm in love with.
Neon hums like a subtle thrill. Shadows dance on the windowsill. Concrete dreams in the glow collide.
Wow, what a view. As you can see there, it's a cruise ship over there. So you know that we came to a port side area. So the cruise, like the big cruise who just go, who travel around the world, so they come here and they just stop their cruise for like 6 hours to 7 hours, that people come out and explore the city.
Spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart beats a brand new song. Time feels right, the world's not wrong.
So guys, to be honest, I'll be sharing some main thing with you, that I've been staying in UAE, I was in London, I was in Abu Dhabi, but the place where I am right now, Scotland, it's amazing. I cannot even explain you that what is a beauty Scotland is. That me, I'm enjoying here. Like, for a person like me who don't want to stay in a room, I'm not a person that wants to be in too much in the social media, like playing games or something. I love to explore, to go out, see the nature, what kind of things God have created for us. For me, this is the best place to live and to survive. So my friends who are watching my vlog and they are planning to go abroad, to come or to explore many countries, so for them I'll be saying that please come Scotland, visit Scotland. It's not that much expensive. If you are planning to come, you can easily come. The main thing is that deposit, that I've heard that if you are coming for the visit visa, so you have to show like 5 lakh to 10 lakhs in your account, but that is just a show money. After that, if you will come here and you will see the beauty, the the things which the white people they have created, so many kind of thing, and the planned city, and the things which a basic human he needs around him, like the water, mountains, nature, and small planned smart city as well. So everything is here. So if you will be here in Scotland, your money will be worth it and you will enjoy this place. So from my suggestion, please, if you have a chance in your life, please visit Scotland as well.
Moments kissed by the amber haze. Soulstone stars light their reckless gaze. We're chasing highlights in the city, spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart's a brand new song. Time feels right, the world's not wrong.
See how clean, how well organized this place, this city is. And you can see that people are bringing their dogs for the ride here. Some of the people they are just sitting on a right side on a chair or on the ground. Some people they are reading the books, and just some of them are tanning their body. So as you can see that how peaceful and how quiet this city is, that a person has his own life and he can stay, he can live according to the way he wants to live his life.
Rest, where weary wanderers do invest. Let it go, let it be. Like a river rolling free, in the silence you will see the harmony of you and me.
So guys, I will tell you one more thing, that 3W are very famous in UK, and the 3Ws are stand for work, weather, woman. So as you can see that when we start our vlog, it was dark, it was like little rainy, and when we are in the middle part of our vlog, so as you can see here, the sun is very bright and it's a very bright day, and it's 5 o'clock over here, and at 5 o'clock you can see the bright sun. And about the work, so most of the people they do the part-time jobs, so they are not the fixed here. Sometimes you are doing the job for one employer, you have to work for another job as well, because it's a part-time. So whenever your company they need the business, they call you, otherwise they ask you to stay in the home. And about the woman, it's little difficult to speak about them, but most of the people whosoever I met, they told me that please don't trust women. So 3W stands for work weather woman. Now we came for the shopping, so tomorrow I have to go somewhere in the party, so I was thinking to buy some t-shirt or some shirt, whatever suits on me. So now we are here for the shopping and we will buy something. You guys can see a very nice collection has been come here, so let's see what will suit on us, and according to that we will buy and we will customize our costume for tomorrow's party. So guys, I have selected one t-shirt over here and this one is the jeans. So let's try and then we will see how I'm looking. Guys, we are finally done with the shopping. I bought some shoes, one pair of shoes, and I bought one t-shirt. So now we are going towards the haircut, the barber shop, and we will have a haircut. And after that we will be going straight back to the home because tomorrow I have to work. I have to go for the work. So we just went out for the vlogging. We done our vlogging today. We did our haircut. We did our shopping. And now it's time to go home. So guys, finally I had my haircut. And as you can see that this is the as usual the same haircut which I did that one only, but like tomorrow I have to go somewhere, so I was like that, keep it clean, nice, so that's why I had a haircut. And now it's time to go home, so we are going back to the home. So I hope you guys have been enjoyed my vlog, so please do not forget to share, like, subscribe, and I'll be bringing more videos for you guys. Till then, bye bye, and please do not forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.